This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Del Roman. Under construction. New construction block stucco home located minutes from the villages. This brand new 3-bedroom, 2-bath split floor plan features luxury vinyl plank flooring, stainless steel appliances, and an attached 2-car garage with Wi-Fi-enabled entry and private driveway. Beautiful open concept kitchen with pantry and granite countertops. Spacious primary suite with a large walk-in closet. The great room is ideal for entertaining with cathedral ceilings. Enjoy low-maintenance indoor/outdoor living. Appliances include refrigerator, range with hood, microwave and dishwasher. For more information, review the details below or contact Del Roman at 352-361-1725.